Namaskar children, this is Disha ma'am and we are going to learn English. Now today, as you will be having holidays from tomorrow, a mini vacation you can say. तो आज मैंने सोचा कि आपके साथ क्या डिस्कस करें. What is one of the topic that I should be discussing with you if we were at school right now. So I would rather choose a topic that is universal. This means effective way of communications. Now what is effective way of communication? As you can see on the image and the screen, there are some books, right? Now why do you read books? What is the importance of book? Do you know? Children, first of all, books gives you good vocabulary. Vocabulary means that you are able to speak or you are able to express your ideas more clearly and properly, right? So I always tell you that read as many as books as you can during this lockdown time and in the problematic session, wherever you are free. Please read books as much as you can. This would inculcate a good habit in you also, and plus it would give you good vocabulary to speak. Now, thinking about vocabulary, first of all, thing which you should know is before speaking you must listen what the speaker is speaking. वो क्या बोल रहे हैं, किस सेंस में बोल रहे हैं. Generally I discuss this idea in our school. You guys are reading and when I am reading there is a difference, right? So why I prefer first reading of yours and then mine, because you can differentiate, you are able to differentiate into that reading portion. Now as I read more books, I am able to punctuate the programs. That means I know कि फुल स्टॉप के लिए कितना सेकंड का गैप चाहिए या कॉमा के लिए कितना सेकंड का गैप चाहिए या क्या होना या कितना पॉज दे के यू कैन start the new sentence, right? Now there are many ways to have effective communication skills. Mane, you can give your ideas, but before then speaking you must, as I told you, that you must listen to what the people or the persons sitting in front of you or standing in front of you is speaking. Now अगर ऐसा होता है, suppose अभी if you are this time you are very young, but let us say जैसे जैसे आप बड़े होते जा रहे हो, you will be having long sessions. Now इसमें आपको क्या करना चाहिए? What is the first point that you should do while listening to the speaker? माने if suppose a teacher is speaking in the class in front of you, what is your first work that you should be doing? Yes, my dear children, the first and the foremost thing that we learned was कि आपको reading करना है. Then if coming to the speaker, what is the thing that you should be doing is, yes, making notes to remember things. Mane, you should be writing small thing that is been discussed by the speaker. In this case, you will be able to recollect the points what a speaker spoke. माने अगर आपके सामने जो टीचर है या कोई इंसान है जो आपको कुछ बता रहा है, so you would be able to recollect that points. अगर आपने लिखा है तो आप उसको बाद में भी पढ़ सकते हो. शायद पॉसिबल हो कि वो पूरा का पूरा लेक्चर आपको याद ना रहे. So in that case, if you have written the notes, it would help you to recall or remember things very easily, right? Now coming to the third point of this session is, my dear children, now when I say reading, so what are the benefits of reading? Why you should read every day? As you can see on the screen, it improves focus and concentration. You are able to concentrate more if you are reading every day. Second, better writing skills. I'm pretty sure the one who has good vocabulary can be a better writer. फिर आप अपने हिसाब से answers भी modify करके आप लिख सकते हो. You many a times you guys have that problem that answers बहुत लंबे हैं, right? In that case, if you are reading properly, if you are having good vocabulary, then you would be able to write good answers by yourself. Third point is analytical and thinking skills. माने it improves your thinking skill. The more you read, the more it improves. It has a good impact on your thinking skills. माने आप सोचना शुरू कर देते हो. Right. Then next is mental stimulation. It's a new word for you. Mental stimulation is it gives a relaxation to your mind. It gives brighter ideas to your mind. Next is reduces stress. Though you are very young, so you don't need to go for this point. But yes, it reduces stress. Knowledge. Obviously, the more you read the book, the more knowledge you will get. Then memory improves. Suppose अगर आप क्वेश्चन आंसर्स में अटके हो तो if you have read the chapter properly, you can write answer by yourself. Your memory would also improve. You can remember the question by the stories, right? Next is vocabulary expansion. As I told you, the more you will read, you will have good vocabulary on your mind, right? Then the free entertainment and tranquility. Tranquility, again, it's a new word for you. And free entertainment माने कुछ नहीं कर रहे तो books. Many times when I say that even I have good impact on English. What is the reason? I am born and brought up in Morbi, but then I have always kept this habit of reading till date. Abhi bhi, right? That gives me thinking skills. It reduces my stress and I get good knowledge and vocab, right? So I would want you also to inculcate this habit so that it would make you improve your knowledge also. Now next on the list is, children, it can, as you can see, it can give you idea. Your mind diverts, your mind distinguishes, and it gives you good idea. See, this cloud is your mind, and उसमें जो ये words है, safe, present, lucky, glad, little, same, nice, these are some words, some vocab that is been developed already. आपके mind में ये सारे words आ जाते हैं, right? If you are having the habit of reading regularly on a regular basis. Now that is one reason that you need to improve the reading portion if you can have this thing, right? Next on the list is the communication. The more you will speak, you will be able to express your ideas very clearly if you are a good reader. Yes, my dear children, you will be able to speak very nicely if you are reading properly. So that is another point of effective communication skills, reading. Next on the list is to have good synonyms, alternates of things which you have. As you can see on the screen, large, run, yell, baby, clever. These are some words, infant, present. In all, you will get good knowledge of different words, synonyms, antonyms, using of the different phrase. आपको कौन सा word कहाँ बोलना है, that also you can be able to judge if you are a good reader, right? So that will effectively improve your communication skills. Last on the list is replying. As you can see, how are you? I'm great, I'm fine, I'm happy, I'm tired, I'm sick. These are number of answers that we give on a regular basis. So these things, my dear children, improves only if you are reading. And by reading, your communication skills, the way you speak or the way you deliver to somebody also gets improved. And this would later on improve your whole personality. It would change your personality too. It does affect your personality too. So आज से I want you, all of you, to promise me that at least a page you will read every day. Alright? Is that a promise from everyone? Chaliye. This was for effective communication skills. Till we meet after vacation. This is Disha ma'am. Wishing you a very happy vacation, a very happy Janmashtami, and we will meet soon. Take care. Bye-bye.